These are the top 5 funniest fails ever caught on camera. Trust me, the last one can make you laugh like it's the net of the world. But first, look at this cute squirrel. If you think it deserves some love, smash like and subscribe. First is the party girl. I hope she is okay. The chicken. The icebreaker. The fish.
Pegue ele, Gisele. Pegue
1
ele.
for the fish, 0 for him. The last one. Do you think they are still together?